Struggling with breakouts? Discover the game-changing Asterisk, the Ordinary Acne Set Asterisk that promises clearer, healthier skin. This complete 3-step regimen is your secret weapon against acne, starting with the gentle glucoside foaming cleanser that washes away impurities without stripping your skin. Next, experience the power of salicylic acid 2% solution, expertly clearing pores and reducing blemishes for a smoother complexion. Finally, lock in moisture with natural moisturizing factors plus beta-glucan, creating a hydrated and protected skin barrier all day long. What makes this set truly special is its targeted approach, perfect for teens and adults alike seeking effective acne solutions. Ready to transform your skin? Click the Amazon link in the description below to Asterisk by the Ordinary Acne Set. Don't wait to achieve the radiant skin you deserve. Shop the Ordinary Acne Set Asterisk now. You won't believe the difference this simple routine can make. I highly recommend this set for anyone battling acne.